Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a payment link on Stripe. The first thing you want to do once you're signed in and you're on your Stripe dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Payments. After selecting Payments, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, right where you see Create a Payment Link, you're going to tap right there and then you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can choose whether you'd like to create a donation link, whether you'd like to add a product. So for example, you can select a product or service that you would like to sell and you'd like to charge customers a certain amount for. So you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and right where you see select type, you could tap right there. So if it is a donation or tipping link you want, you could select donation. So you can tap right there and persons will simply pay whatever they want. But if you have a set amount that you would like to charge, you're going to select products and subscriptions. After you have done that, you can tap on add. Then from there, you could tap on add new product. After you have selected add new product, let's say for example, I want to charge for consultation. So I could type in consultation right here. Then you could add a quick description and the price that I will be charging is $10. So I'll add the $10 right there. You can also add more currencies if you want. And if you would like to set up a recurring payment link, you could tap on recurring. If this is a one-time thing, you can select one time. You can also add a cover image right here if you want by tapping on upload where you see image. After you have done that, you're going to tap on add product. So you can see right there, the product has now been added. Now all you will need to do is simply scroll down, and by scrolling down you can select whether you would like to collect your customers' addresses or phone number, and you can also tap on advanced options. And from there, if it is a case that you have a special request, you could tap on add custom fields. If you want to allow promotion codes, you can also do that. If you would like to change the call to action button, you can tap where you see pay. And for example, you could tap on book. So since this is a consultation link, I'll select book. You could also select donation. You can also edit the thank you page. So by tapping on after payment, so this will be the confirmation page after they have made their payment. So you can see an example of how it looks right there. If you would like to replace it, you can tap on replace default with custom message, and you could type in the message that you would like to share right there. Or if you don't want to show a confirmation page, you can simply untick it. If it is a case that you would like to create a PDF, you can do that. But keep in mind that Stripe charges a 0.4% transaction total right there, so you could tap there. After you're finished, you can go over to the top right hand corner and tap on create link. Once you have tapped on create link, you will be redirected to a new page, and on this new page you will now be able to see what you have created, as you can see right here. And you have a few options. You could tap on QR code, and from there you'll be provided with a QR code, so you could tap on download image and you could share this with persons, and once they scan the QR code, they'll be redirected to the payment link, and from there they'll now be able to process their transaction. Or you could tap on buy button. After selecting buy button, you're going to see a pop-up window appear, and you can see the button right there. And by scrolling down, so let's say for example you'd like to add this buy button to your site, all you'll need to do is simply tap on copy code. So I could tap on copy code right there, and let's say I wanted to add it onto my Google sites. For example, I could go onto Google sites, and let's say I were to select this random theme just for example's sake. So I'll select this theme real quick. All I would need to do is go over to the right hand menu option, tap on embed. After you have selected embed, you can select embed code, and you could paste in the HTML code right here. After doing that, you will tap on next, then you will select insert, and you will now have your payment link displayed right here. Another thing that you could also do, let's say instead of it just being a payment button, so I can widen it right here. Let's say instead of it just being a payment button, I would like it to scroll down. I could change it from the card option to button by tapping on button right there. So it would only be a button that is displayed. You can also change the language if you want. You can also change the button text if you want. And by scrolling down, you can change the style by tapping on change styling options. Then scroll down, and for example, you could change the button color and so on. After you're finished, all you'll need to do is tap on save changes and copy code. So you could tap right there and you could tap on save changes and copy code. After you have done that, you could copy and paste the code. As you can see, it has been copied right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.